Technology has the power to take us places we never thought we'd go. And with floodwaters still rising in some parts of the state, it can be difficult to survey these areas unless you are Bobby Kelly, Public Information Officer for the City of Conway. He's using his drone to get a bird's eye view of some of the flooded areas, all in an effort to help you.
We feel comfortable with the levels of Lake Conway right now. Arkansas Game and Fish Commission dropped the levels of the lake by about a foot, so it's able to hold a lot more water now.
And thousands of sandbags were filled and distributed all across Faulkner County as people wait and watch for the impending flood. Around 4 p.m., the department announced it ran out of sandbags and operations would resume Thursday, tomorrow morning. In a digital original you can find on fox16.com, get a bird's eye view of the flooded areas.